The idea that maybe we couldn't get a loan at all, not only for this house, but for any house. When I first got the call, Shanna and I moved with our one daughter at the time, Grace, into the parsonage. When we moved in, it was a perfect place. But eventually, as the kids start coming, that 1,150 square feet started to get a little bit smaller. The head elder at the church had said, "Pastor, it's a good market. You find the best house you can for the best price that you can." We had gone with a local lender because we bank there. The church banks there. They know who we are. Once we got into the loan process and the details of the church wanting to help us pay for the down payment, they said, we had thought that this was a go, but now we're going to have to send this off to a regional manager. And so right away I thought this just isn't gonna pan out. We started calling other banks in the area, and they all said, get the church out of the equation, we can help you. We started to think maybe we're just not going to be able to buy this home. My head elder and I were sitting in my office one day, and he said, well, what about LCEF? I said, well, I know that LCEF helps with church buildings and things that have to do with the corporate church body, if you will, but I've never heard of them helping for pastoral loans. And so we got online, and sure enough, right on their website, one of the very first things we saw was the loan for church workers. To have those keys in hand was an amazing feeling that you just can't even describe, because we couldn't even believe it. We would not have this house if LCEF wasn't able to help us. It's still sort of surreal. It takes a little while to realize that this isn't just a temporary thing. We're thankful for every day that we get to live here.